Hey guys, Zach, the Unusual Geek, is back again with another video. This time we are looking at the Tech 21 cases for the Galaxy Note 9. And also the screen protector. I'm going to be giving away a few of these cases for my subscribers and new subscribers. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be giving this away in probably a couple days. And all you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll send you one of these with the screen protector or case. I'll pick 3 winners for each one, and I'll send them to you guys. Okay. So without further ado, let's start this thing here. So Galaxy Note 9, obviously I have the blue one, 512 gigs, 8 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, I can't even talk anymore. So anyways, so I have the Tech 21 Pure Clear, and I have the EvoCheck. Okay, each one of them is different, of course, and I also have the Impact Shield Anti-Scratch Screen Protector. Let's go. So let's start with the Pure Clean, and I'll get to the other ones in after I'm done with this one. Okay. So I got 2, like you say. So I'm gonna be giving one away, maybe 2. I don't know. Depends. So basically, the Evo Clear, as the name mentions, it's a clear case. What I like about the Tech 21 cases is the fact that they don't get that yellow tint like some of the cheapy cases you can get on Amazon or eBay. Some of them really yellow. They become like have a yellow tint, and they look dirty and disgusting. This is a little bit different. These guys know what they're doing in cases. They are awesome. This was rated at 10-foot drop protection, scientifically proven. So you can check their videos online. They'll show you that they test their phones, 10 feet, 12 feet, and all that. So it's ultra thin, so 10 feet or 3 meters. It's only 1.2 millimeter thin, with thick, and it also has anti-yellowing technology, which basically what it does is it resists the UV damage for a longer time, as they say. So it will work with your wireless charger, and it contains bullet shield. Well, whatever the material they use for the case, they call it bullet shield. There's a lifetime warranty on this product, which is amazing. And I'll open it here for you guys so you guys can check it out. Nice packaging. It says you probably drop your phone more than once. Don't worry, Tech 21 protects drops after drops. Oh, that's not bad. Alright, so here it is. Alright, it's really thin. It's light. Also strong. It's not one of those TPU cases where you can like bend. It's really hard in the middle, which I like. Plus the cutouts. Here you have, hold on, let me see. This one is for the S Pen. Alright, let me put it in real quick. It's kind of confusing. Alright, so here you go. Let's see how fast I can put this in. That's it. It slaps right in, man. This is the difference between a high-end case and a cheapy case. I mean, it's designed to the T, man. This thing slaps in right away. The cutout for the camera, my fingerprint, really nice. It gives a little protection too when you drop it down like this. And also the cutouts. So this one is for the 3.5 millimeter jack, USB port, speaker, and the S Pen. Let's see how easy it is to get the S Pen out. Let's say you're outside, you want to get it out real quick. Boom. Yeah, I have fat fingers, you can see. So it's kind of a pain in the butt to get it right away. But nice cutouts. I always do this test when buying a case. I'm not going to lie to you, I do it all the time. Well, I mean, for the amount of time we still have phones with audio jack, so it fits right in. It's not tight. It's good. The logo is nicely put here. It's really nice. I mean, it's really clear case. It's beautiful. The power button right here. You hear that? It's really tactile, nice to the hand, to the feel. Volume buttons are here, and then the Bixby button is right here. Everything works well. Also, let's see. The cool thing about this is, again, it protects the screen. Here, if you can see this, check this out. See that? See that little space, that little gap here? So if you drop your phone, these edges will actually protect it from hitting this display. I think it's a plus. One other reason why I recommend high-end cases over the cheapy ones. I mean, check this out. Look at the gap over there. I mean, you drop it, it basically protects the display, which is, as you know, very expensive to fix. Excuse me while I take a sip of this coffee. Okay, I'm back. Anyways, so this was the, what is it called? Pure Clear Tech 21 case. Let's do the removing test here. Very easy. Alright, so we'll look at the next one here. The EvoCheck. This is my favorite. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is my favorite Tech 21 case. Okay. Alright, so let's look at it real quick. So unlike the Pure Clear, this is rated at 12 meter drop protection. It's ultra thin and also has lifetime warranty. What does it say? Yeah, so 3.6 meter or 12 feet drop protection. Also uses Flex Shock, which is different than Bullet Shield. So it's something that is unique to this case, obviously, and also works with wireless chargers. So you won't miss out on wireless charging if you use this case. This obviously was tested and tested. I'm just telling you, go to YouTube and check out the Tech 21 page. Basically, they show you how they test their cases. So, all right. So this is very thin in the middle. It's not as hard as the thin case. The what is it called? The Pure Clear in the middle. It's kind of TPU-ish. This is more of a. It's funny though. Like, you will think this which is hard will resist more than 12 feet, but it's funny. But anyway, so this is a little bit gray-ish, a little bit more squishy than the other one. Again, they know what they're doing. So even though it feels squishy, they tested the damn thing for everything. So let's see this. Hold on. Alright, we're going to slap this baby on real quick and see what's up. Yep, very easy, just like the other case. Cutouts are really sweet and nice. Actually, it looks really nice with the blue. Check this out, guys. It kind of gives a nice, I don't know, it's a nice mixture of the black and, I'm sorry, the gray and the blue. Makes it looks really cute, man. I'll tell you that. The cutouts, as expected, are really good. A little bumpy here. See, it offers a little bit more protection than the clear, as you can see. So a little bump out. See that? Yep, a little bump out for the speaker, and the S Pen is very easy to reach. Okay, power button. So it looks like there's a cutout, but it's not. So it's just to make the covers more flexible to the touch. Very easy to use. Very, very easy to use, as I said. Also has the same protections on the corners right here, where it protects the display in case you drop it down like this, or face down. Here it is again. See that? Yep. Pretty awesome. These cases are really, really nice, to be honest with you. I don't know, like, I always recommend them if you're looking for a thin case. This is the one to get, or this one as well if you're into the clear cases. I mean, these two cases are probably one of the nicest thin cases you can get with, you know, and you don't sacrifice protection for thinness. So that's what I like about this. They still protect your phone, and you know what I mean. So this one is a little harder to remove. Maybe it's just the way I did it. There we go. All right, so that's fine. So I'll put this down here. So this is the pure clear. Okay, 10 feet drop. This is the pure clear. I'm sorry, the pure clear 10 feet down. This is the Evo check. This actually is rated at 12 feet at a 12 feet drop. So there we go. So this was a quick look at those cases. Let's go to the screen protector real quick. I'm not gonna install it just because I want to give it away, or maybe I'll install one. So here's the display here. It's curved fit, which is great. So as you guys know, the Galaxy Note 9 has a curved display from the sides. It goes down. See here, like on these sides right here, it curves. So it says scientifically proven that it will protect against impact, curve fit, and also has an applicator included. So as you can see, oh man, I love it, guys. This is awesome. I am one of those people who actually have to buy two screen protectors. The first one I always mess up, and then the second one I kind of get right. But this one here with the applicator, it probably is going to be easy for you guys to install. So I'll show you what's inside. I'll also drop a link in the description here just so you guys have an idea where to get these. These are the instructions. This is one of those squeegees to get rid of the bubbles and stuff. It also has the Tech 21 logo. Sweet. This is, okay, so dust remover sticker and wet wipe. The instructions, I don't know if I'm going to ever read instructions, but I might just for this one here. So, here it is. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Do you guys think I'll figure out without reading the manual? I don't know. So it says to clean the screen, place the device onto a flat surface and clean. Follow the above illustration. So basically what you do is you take this thing and let's see. You put it this way and yep. Okay. Okay, I got it. So what do? Is you go to tab 1 here. See that? Okay. You peel it. You peel it like this. And then what do is once you peel it, you push it down and then you use the squeegee here. Of course, after you remove all the dust and stuff. And you just basically just push it down against the corners. As you can see, this one just fits right in the middle of this display, which is cool. And then it will fit right in the middle. I will do a video later about how to install this, but I'll tell you what, this is a must-have. These applicators are must-have if you want to get, if you install a screen protector and get it from the first time without messing it up. This is awesome, okay? So, so this whole thing here was a quick review or unboxing or whatever you want to call it of the Tech 21 series cases / screen protector for the Galaxy Note 9. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And like I said, I'll be giving away one of each, one of these, one of this, and one of this to 3 of you guys. All you got to do is share this post, like it, and subscribe. I appreciate it, and thank you so much for watching. you know, until the next one. Peace.